Configuring external companies and users. Before external users can access any documents, they need to be added to the system. The easiest way to add them is using the External User Manager. Click the External User submenu from the Administration main menu. Click the Add button to first create a new company. Enter the company details. At a minimum, only the company name is needed, but the more details enter the better. Click the Save button to save the information. Expand the Users section. Click the Add button to create a new external user profile. Now the profile has been created, the system will set a default login name. Change this to suit. At a minimum, you must enter a first name, last name, select one or more user type groups, and enter an email address. After the user details have been entered, click the Insert button to save the user profile. The external user will then receive an email with their login details.